Example 3.2. Let the magnetic moment of a bar magnet be Pm vector whose magnetic length is d is equal to 2L and the pole strength is Qm. Compute the magnetic moment of the bar magnet when it is cut into two pieces along its length B perpendicular to its length. So what is given here is a magnetic moment of the bar magnet is given as Pm vector and the magnetic length is 2L and the pole strength is what? Qm. Now we have to find it out. The magnetic moment of the bar magnet when it is cut into two pieces along the length and perpendicular to the length. So first we'll go for doing when it is cut into two pieces along the length. Okay. Now a bar magnet cut into two pieces along the length. This is the original bar magnet. Okay. Now this is your south pole and this is your north pole. Here the magnetic pole strength is what? Qm and the magnetic length is 2L. Now it is cut into two pieces along the length. So it is cut into two pieces like this. So along the length we have cut. So it is cut into two pieces like this. So when you cut into two pieces, the magnetic length won't change. But the pole strength changes. The pole strength become what? Qm by 2. Okay. Now we can write the magnetic moment. Okay. The original magnetic moment. That is before cutting. Magnetic moment Pm vector is equal to Qm into 2L. This is your magnetic moment. Now after cutting into pieces, the new magnetic moment. This is what we have to find it out. Your new magnetic moment we can take it as Pm dash. We are taking it as what? Pm dash. That is Qm dash into 2L. What is your Qm dash? Qm dash is, that is, your pole strength is divided into 2. So here it is Qm by 2. So I can write Pm dash is equal to Qm by 2 into what? 2L. The magnetic length doesn't change. So this can be written as 1 by 2 into Qm into 2L. What is Qm into 2L? Qm into 2L is Pm. So this is Pm dash. Here so it is Pm dash vector is equal to 1 by 2 Pm vector. Okay. So after it is cutting into pieces, the magnetic moment is becoming what? Half of the original magnetic moment. So Pm dash vector is equal to half Pm vector. The second case, a bar magnet cut into two pieces perpendicular to its axis. So this is a bar magnet. Now we are cutting along the axis like this. So your bar magnet will become two pieces like this. Okay. In this case, the pole strength will not change, but the magnetic length is what? Becoming half. So here total length is what? 2L. So here it is L, here it is L. Now we can go for finding the magnetic moment. So what is the original magnetic moment? Original magnetic moment is equal to, that is before cutting. It is Pm is equal to Qm into 2L. Okay. And now your new magnetic moment is equal to Pm dash is equal to Qm into, your length is becoming what? Half. So it is 2L by 2. 2L by what? 2. Now this can be written as Pm dash. I'll write it in vector notation. Pm dash vector is equal to Qm into 2L into 1 by 2. Okay. So this can be written as Pm into QL is what? Pm dash. Pm. So Pm vector by what? 2. So Pm dash vector is equal to, the new magnetic moment is equal to original magnetic moment divided by 2, or you can say it is half of the original magnetic moment. So in both the cases we are getting the result as what? Same only. Whether it is cutting along the axis or cutting perpendicular to the axis, the magnetic moment is what?